In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make professional dropship ads using AliExpress photos. And we'll start by choosing the right product because strong ads begin with something worth showing off. Look for items that solve a clear problem, are highly visual so you can demonstrate a before and after or quick demo, and already have both photo and video reviews. As you browse, aim for a rating of 4.5 stars or higher and at least 100 orders. If you spot customer review videos, that's gold because they double as authentic proof and raw material for your creatives. Next, gather your media. On the product page, you can simply save images, then scroll to the customer review section to download any videos you're allowed to access. If you prefer tools, a Chrome extension like AliSave can speed this up, and the AliExpress mobile app can help you save media on the go. Keep everything organized by creating separate folders for raw photos, raw videos, and review media. This simple structure will save you time once you start editing. Now clean and rebrand the content so it feels like your own. Use editors such as Canva, CapCut, InShot, or Adobe Express. Remove any AliExpress logos, seller watermarks, or foreign language text that could confuse viewers. Then add your brand colors, clean and readable fonts, a lifestyle background that matches your niche, and tight product close-ups so benefits are obvious at a glance. With assets ready, build scroll-stopping creatives. Follow a proven flow. Open with a bold hook in the first 3 seconds to earn attention. Highlight the relatable problem your audience feels. Show the solution through a clear product demo. Reinforce it with proof like clips from real users or reviews. And end with a crisp call to action telling people exactly what to do next. Write your copy using the same structure. Hook, problem, solution, CTA. For example, you might say, still dealing with tangled cables? This smart organizer fixes the mess in seconds. Thousands of happy customers agree. Get yours today. Keep text short and punchy for TikTok and Reels. Format for each platform. For TikTok and Reels, use 916, keep it around 15 to 30 seconds, cut quickly, and add subtitles since many viewers watch on mute. For Facebook and Instagram feeds, try 1.1 or 4.5. Include a clear headline and make the CTA button the hero. Add social proof by showing screenshots of reviews with names blurred, star ratings, UGC style clips, and honest statements like 10,000 plus sold. Never fake reviews. Platforms can flag this. For smooth approvals, avoid medical claims, guaranteed outcomes, unsafe usage, and anything exaggerated. Keep it realistic. Finally, test multiple creatives. At least 3 image variations, 3 video variations, and different hooks. Monitor the first 3 seconds retention, click-through rate, and engagement, like comments and saves. Turn off weak performers and scale the winners.